Hi guys, finally today as promised and by special request of a lot of guys who asked me to make a demo about this one if it works, because a lot of people are saying that it's fake or it doesn't melt or a lot of problems. Although we will try to do this minus the flux, which is also essential in welding aluminum. So we will just probably do the right procedure minus the flux. And my guess is probably we might not be able to succeed in this, but we'll see. We'll check it out. So stick around. Okay, we'll try to preheat the two metals before we put the aluminum rod on top of it. Maybe approximately about 700 to 750 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'll try to put the rod on top, but we'll try to heat it up first and see if it will work or if it will melt. Oops, so it did, but I noticed that the flame is not really that intense for it to make it liquefied. So yeah, it's not at all liquefying, but we'll still keep on doing it. No, it's not really still the same. It's probably just soft and but not liquefied. We'll put on top another rod and see what happens. Not enough heat from the burner. That has to liquefy. No, I don't think that's gonna work. But we'll keep on doing it and heating up and see what happens. Nothing. That flame should be really more intense. No, it's not gonna melt. It's not really gonna bind. Okay, so that's it. Looks like it's a fail using that butane torch. It's most likely a heat factor, problem. It did reach the right temperature to melt the aluminum rod properly to bind the two metals together. So, well, I ordered a breezing flux, and that's also an essential element for welding aluminums together. So I'll wait for that, and we'll try another test next time, and we'll see what happens. But for now, with what we have, I think we can safely say that it's a fail. So I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.